Hey guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 9. So it is Thursday and it's cloudy again, and I have to go to the mall, and that's like 30 minutes away. So hopefully it doesn't start raining, or else I'm not going to be able to see anything, because I'm a blind person and I shouldn't even be driving when it's dark or raining. Anyways, I have to go put gas, and it sucks because I hate putting gas in the car. It's annoying. I'm going to be returning a few things and exchanging some things for different sizes because I got the wrong size. Look at that dog just walking around. He's always bothering Bimbo and Bartolo.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus lane.
Jesus, 4:35. So that was easy. I mean, obviously it's just annoying. It's annoying for me having to put gas. So this is like pretty much the whole town right here. This is a police station and the park and the city hall. It's very tiny. We live in a very small town. This is pretty much it where I live. There's no stores. There's only one store, and it's the Family Dollar. Okay, so I just got to the mall, and holy cow, you guys, it is packed. Cars everywhere. Everywhere. I should have came earlier. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. I parked far. Or actually, should I park closer? What if it starts raining? No, it's okay. I could run. Anyways, I'll try to vlog in there, but I doubt it. There's a lot of people. It's gonna be embarrassing, and people here stare. Okay, so I just got out of the mall and it was packed, but it's because I had a bunch of deals, and well, I wanted to get my mom something, but they didn't have her size anymore, so I had to just get something else, and hopefully she likes it. See, this is everything I bought and picked up. I'm not gonna show you anything because these are gifts for my family and you cannot see them. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay, you guys, I am home, and I already have my children in here. Look at them cute little fellas. Can you say hi? Hello, hello, hello. Good boys. And there's Bimbo and Bartolo over there. They were just looking out the door because I have it open so they could see. Anyways, I brought them in because it started raining again. Let me show you guys really quick my advent calendar. Ta-da! Beauty advent calendar. I'm gonna open it over here because then they're gonna think it's for them, and it is not. So today is day 9. I don't see it. There's no 9 right here. Oh wait, this is a 9. 9 is right here. I thought that was a 7. As you can see, I am very blind, and that is what I got today. It is a... what the heck are you? Oh, nice. I got a witch hazel. I love witch hazel. If you guys watch me do my empties, you guys know I love using witch hazel. I'm super excited to try out this witch hazel. This is the Thayer's Natural Remedies Facial Toner. So I will see, and hopefully this one works well. It is like a squirt little bottle. And this is 3 fluid ounces. So yeah, that's that. Bimbo's right here. He thinks I'm gonna give him his advent calendar. No, sir, until after dinner. I think I'm gonna show you guys right now one of the boxes that I have in the room, because I have a bunch of boxes. I think I'm going to unbox the Walmart beauty box. So yeah, let me show you guys that really quick. No, este no es para ti, it's mine. But I'm gonna sit right here with you, if you permit. Here's Bimbo, and here's Bartolo and Max. Okay, maybe this is a bad idea because they're gonna think this is for them. But anyways, I'm going to be unboxing my Walmart beauty box. Ta-da! Ta-da! And Max, excuse me, sir. Thought he was gonna hit me with his tail. Papas, eso no es para ustedes, it's mine. No. Sit. Siéntate. Max, siéntense. No. Yeah, this was definitely a bad idea. They think this is for them. Anyways, oh sorry, papas. Here is the box without the wrapper. Maxi, okay, sit. Siéntate. Max. Okay, I'm gonna show him first because he's not, look. See, no hay nada. This? No. It's full of saliva now, so I am going to be keeping everything in here. So, I got a beauty blender. You wanna show them, papas? I think it's exactly the same as the one that, papas, you're gonna drop the camera. He thinks this is a toy or something. I think it's the same as the one that I got in my beauty advent calendar by Target. Now the next thing, it is this hand lotion. This is a Find Your Happy Place After the Rain hand cream. This one right here. And I'm going to be keeping this because I love hand lotions. So this is going to go in my purse. I think we already got another hand lotion, but it's okay. I use these up really fast, so I'm happy that I got that. And then I also got the Burt's Bees facial cleanser for sensitive skin with cotton extract. Oh my gosh, she's trying to open the fridge. Okay, anyways, this is for National Eczema and then something else. I can't really read it. The letters are like really tiny. So yeah, that's that. See? Max, siéntate. The next thing that I got, it is the Innovation Invisible Bobble Waiver, and these are similar to one that we got last month, or not last month, but the last box. The last box was clear. He wants to sit on my lap or something. You're not small. Okay, so anyways, this time we got pink, purple, and like yellow or something like that. These are cute, and I'm going to be keeping these. I mean, these don't have saliva, so I could put in a stocking as a stocking stuffer. Okay, now the last thing that I got, it is a... What are you eating? We got it. The last thing that we got, it is a natural Vitality Calm, a magnesium supplement. I feel like giving this to Max so he calms down. But anyways, this is what I got, and I actually have a bottle of this, and I don't really like it because it's too strong. Or maybe I put too much in it, but it actually calms you down, but it also messes with your stomach. I'm going to be keeping this, and I'm just going to put it in a smoothie or something. Now you're sitting. He's sitting. I mean, laying down. But anyways, that is everything that I got in my Walmart beauty box. Here, let me see. So this Real Technique sponge retails for $4.88. Okay, now the next thing, it is a Burt's Bees Sensitive Facial Cleanser. And so it's this one right here. I have sensitive skin, so I'm happy that I got this. The full size retails for $8.34, and this is just like a sample size. And the full size is 6.0 ounces. Okay, now the next thing, it is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. Okay, I think I got ripped off, you guys. I was supposed to get the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, and I didn't get it. Then it said I have to get the liquid IV, so like liquid 4, I guess. Yeah, I had to get the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish, and I didn't get that. And then I was supposed to get the liquid 4. Maybe they replaced it with this powder instead. This one right here. But what about the Dove exfoliating thing? I guess they replaced the Dove exfoliating polish for this little hand lotion. Anyways, I'm so happy that they sent me this lotion. The invisible waivers, the 3-piece, these retail for $6. That is everything that I got in my Walmart beauty box. I feel like it was pretty good. It was worth my $6 or $7. But anyways, right now I think I'm going to be editing yesterday's vlog because I haven't been able to edit because of homework and stuff, and I feel like I'm falling behind on the vlogs. Look at Maxi Poo. Hey, Bubba. Oh my lord. I shouldn't have woken up the dinosaur. Max, what are you doing? Cuidado, cuidado. Please lick the lens. What are you guys fighting for? ¿Te quitó tu huesito? Pobrecito. Bartolo was trying to take the bone away from Max, and Max took it away from his mouth. Pobrecito, papas. There's Bimbo right here. And Bartolo, chiqueado. So anyways, this is the sweet life of pets. This is Bimbo, Bartolo's father. And Bimbo is also Max's stepfather. Mis niños hermosos. Good boys. I love my beautiful hairy children. Yeah, cámara. Hello. Bimbo's actually good at pictures. He'll like literally look at the lens. Yeah, papa. Photo, photo. Wow. Mira, photo, photo. Wow. Mi niño hermoso. Ay, qué chulos labiecitos. Max, they just saw a dog running across the street. Okay, I think it's the dog that I showed you guys earlier. Let me go check. A ver, papas, la vamos a ver. Vamos a chismear. Vamos a ver. No, there's no one, papas. There's no one. No hay nadie. Yeah, it was that dog. Oh my gosh, he already found his stocking. No, Max. No, 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 no. Max, Max, for Christmas. Max, eso es para Navidad. Vente, papas. Gosh, this is his stocking right here. And then this is Bone right there. I got him this beautiful big toy. It's a cactus. Vente, vámonos, vámonos, vámonos. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Aquí no. Vámonos, vámonos. Now he smelled it and he's gonna get out at night to get him. Watch. Oh my lord. Max. Vente, papas. It's for Christmas. Pipi. Good boys. Pobrecito. So, oh my gosh. He filled you guys up with saliva. So anyways, that is what I deal with on the daily. So anyways, I'm going to be editing yesterday's video and I think I'm going to end this vlog right now so it's not too long and I could also edit this video. So yeah, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.